All right, this is the second question from the SAT assignment. And if you could use a calculator, it would be very easy because you would divide both sides by the log with the base 2 of 3. And if you do that, and if you have a graphing calculator, I did this, even though it wasn't allowed, I did this because I wanted to know what the answer is. I did this and I got that the answer is 1 over 3. So I know that the answer is A, and I know that that's a correct answer. Now the task is to get to that answer without using a calculator, and I will admit that that was a challenge for me. So I didn't know what to do, and I know that when I don't know what to do, I either draw a picture or I try to use substitution. And picture doesn't help in this example, so I will try to use some substitution. So here we go. I will say that log with the base 8 of 3 is equivalent to some variable y. So what I'm going to do is I am going to work with this side, okay? And I'm going to work with this and see what I can get out of this expression or equation here. So here we go. I will take 8, I will raise it to the power of y, and I will say that that's equivalent to 3. In hope for the best, I will go a little bit farther with this. I know that 8 is 2 to the power of 3. I will raise it to the y is equal to 3. And just for fun of this, I am going to get rid of this 3. You will see in a second why I am doing this. So I will take this equation and raise it to the power of 1/3. So that is going to be equivalent to 2 to the power of y is equal to 3 to the power of 1/3. Okay, let's leave this alone for a second. I am going to work with the right hand side right now. And by my substitution, I said that this is equivalent to y, right? Because if I say that this is y, then this is equal to y as well. So y is equal to x times log with the base 2 of 3. Well, we know our properties of logs. We know that I can bring this x right here, so I will have log with the base 2 of 3 to the power of x. This is equivalent to y. Now, going farther from this, I can again get rid of the log and again hope for the best. So by the definition, I will get 2 to the power of y is equivalent to 3 to the power of x. And look at this. I see what the 2 to the power of y is equal to here, and I see what the 2 to the power of y is equal to here. So because those two terms are equivalent, I know that those two terms must be equivalent. So 3 to the power of 1/3 is equivalent to 3 to the power of x. So x is equal to 1/3. Look at this one. We solved this without using the graphing calculator. Now, it seems simple when I did this, but I will tell you it took me a second to, well, more than a second to figure this one out. So take a look, and again, it's interesting because substitution is being used here. All right, have fun with this one.